Yes, sir, man. Baby out to the shop, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. She come back, guys. She gonna be a monster. Man, pull it up right on up, man. Play on up through the. Everybody staying, man. Yeah. Gonna pick the thing up, man. Ooh. This thing gonna be so stupid. When he come back, bro. Yeah, man. Real. Y'all gonna say bye, Trailblazer. When she come back, she gonna have a whole new makeover. Be run like a brand new truck that's on steroids. I'm telling you. Yeah, man, this Mad Mars car is back with another one. Yeah, man, y'all see what I'm behind, man. Grand Prix. Hold on, man. Ain't got the T-top, I got brain blow. Zoom over here to the older one. Hold on, man. That thing got LS6O in it, man. Hold on. This we gotta give swap too, man. I got light scribe in that bell, man. Mad Mars cars, man. All gas, no brakes.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
That paint is wet. Ooh, that paint wet. What is a Pontiac? Yup, Grand Prix. Grand Prix. Oh, that mother, he must about to get it. Let's swap. There ain't nothing in there. I probably about to get it. Let's swap. Yeah. Yeah, man. He told me to go on the brain. When you gonna pick them up? Gonna pick up the door panels and the dashboard. I'm gonna change that steering wheel ASAP, man. Yeah, man. For y'all who don't know about the box, man, this is the box, man. No, we going gray with the orange, man. I'ma get it orange, man. Yeah, man. You had to go. Brand new carpet, dog. So the man cutting no corners. None. I said, seal on the way, man. I said, my cutlass. The seal on the cutlass, man, that thing, you wouldn't believe it. Y'all go back and check my other video. I showed my cutlass once I hit 1K subscribers. Y'all gotta go check that out, man. This is 79, though, y'all didn't know. This is 78. This is 79. 78, 79. I got a little something back here. I ain't got too much. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got too much, got a little something. I ain't doing too much. Got the flat cap ready. Destroy your gray, man. Like, killed them with that one, though. I ain't gonna lie. I killed them with the little, man. They don't get it, bro. This thing came so far. It's like this is 83 or 82 Caprice. 215 for that. But that baby here, man, yeah, AC and everything, boy. Boy. AC and everything, boy. Bill. Not playing no game. Yeah. Christmas deluxe, guys. Long bed on there, boy. That long boy. Stroking. I don't know what they got on there, but You stroke this out though. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? I ain't been stroked out. You might well take this off. Cause he told me he been stroked out. Man, my boy Saint love these, but this thing got a big bed in the butt. Oh, y'all remember this? Yeah, let's swap these things. Oh, yeah. One of the 6 over there got, man. Over pre with a big front end on it, with the big. You know what I'm saying? Gold, fuck, man. Hey, man, this thing is convertible. I like it. I don't like it. It ain't convertible. That's why I don't like it. And the inside, this thing is so clean. Inside, this thing is so clean, man. Good, man. Thing's so clean. So this somebody done bought this car already now. Man, you see the man van? That thing, that is so clean inside. Y'all wouldn't even believe how that thing look inside of there, boy. I ain't even gonna care. You wouldn't even believe it. Like, y'all know how them old vans inside had tables and TVs in it, but that's how they look inside, boy. That thing got curves and everything, bro. They didn't even supposed to have that in there. They got a bed. Man, that thing crazy. That thing crazy, bro. It's locked right now. Can't get in. I will show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let's go back this way. I'm gonna fall back this way. Going back through here. I'm gonna fall back on through here with you, know what I'm saying? Back through this way. It cut down, man. It cut down, man. So I think it's gonna do this too. But they cut down, but them rims ain't it, boy. Them rims ain't it, boy. But man, see, boy, paint that bar right there white. I'll show y'all. We putting these whatchamacallits in today, bro. Putting these door panels on and this this headboard. Oh, the headline ready to go in too now. Oh, that thing ready to go in. Yes, sir, Bob. Yes, sir, Ski. Real, man. I'm folks hanging, man. I'm folks need that up. You know what I'm saying, man? Straight gray on. I ain't even wet saying the buff the year Joker. You know what I'm saying? Ain't even wet saying the buff yet, man. Look at that thing, man. I'm the first to do it. Tell somebody to holler at me. And I still got on the rallies, man. Everybody going real. I'm riding on the rally for the meantime. We're gonna clean them things up, some more riding on there till we throw them 6s on there, buddy. If I throw the 6s on there, buddy, might buy a whole nother box and throw the 6s on that box. Man, come on, man. I stop playing with me.